Our company was founded over 200 years ago. It's one of the leading global paint and coatings manufacturers. It consists of 5 main business units active in over 150 countries. It's already the most sustainable of them all, but it has the ambition to become the global industry leader. AkzoNobel wanted, as part of their transformation strategy, to build and create in-house capabilities on network design. And the combination of AIMMS as a provider of the tool and Districon being the consultant supporting us in this process, was recognized to be the best fit for AkzoNobel. In the continuously global environment AkzoNobel operates in, you can think of many different use cases actually. It's about volume reallocations across assets, capacity expansions or reductions of sites or assets, demand growth scenarios, but also trade-offs between service, cost, lead time, and eventually around a hot topic, of course, now on sustainability, on the carbon footprint reduction. Yeah, we're looking to use the following network design capabilities in the SC Navigator. First of all, I would say to assess end-to-end supply chain objectives like cost, service, lead time, but also to review strategic network design choices using our digital twins that are linked to standard data sources integrated and using a clear governance structure to prioritize and review the different studies. AkzoNobel transforms its supply chain by using AIMMS by following typical network design process, I would say, or project process, which means we will capture the business environment, customer needs, growth segments, growth scenarios, but also constraints, and then model this into a digital twin, capturing all the products, the flows, the costs, and everything that you need to put into the model. And then run different scenarios that actually help us to reconfigure the supply chain network. The features of the Supply Chain Navigator app that are particularly useful for AkzoNobel are, first of all, the center of gravity analysis, which is typically used for some first insights. But in the end, of course, the main part of the app, and then for a manufacturing company like AkzoNobel, parts on manufacturing costs, products, cells, flows, the production, capacity constraints, but also the transport and the transport cost between the different nodes in the network, warehouses, manufacturing sites, customers. We pretty much use a lot of that actually, and we use different ways to model the cost with rate cards, for example, in transport or with a function. And typically we look to optimize on cost, but we have also examples where we did it considering the tax implications, for example, between regions. Well, using AIMMS SC Navigator, the tool, it's pretty easy. Actually, it's very intuitive. I would say somebody with some prior network modeling experience picks this up a couple weeks, but also somebody with supply chain background without modeling experience, given the right support and guidance and training, is also able to easily pick it up. Actually, somebody like me. Working with the AIMMS team is actually really nice. They're very supportive, they're open to feedback, they look to take this feedback and incorporate it in future improvements of the tool. They also really helped us in the beginning, right, when we needed to learn the tool. They really supported us in understanding how it works, giving us advice on what kind of modeling steps to take. So looking forward to keep on working together. My advice for companies that are just starting with network design studies is put in place a clear governance structure, clear processes. Try to start small, not too complex projects. Make sure you spend a lot of time on making your stakeholders familiar with network design. It will be new in the company. They really you need to build trust. They need to trust you. Start with a proof of concept. Make clear it's the first test, right? You need to develop as a company in this, and then slowly build it up, right? Make projects more complex, take on bigger studies. Yeah, that would be it.